Hello everyone, welcome back. Summer is finally here and I've got you covered with 3 beautiful hairstyles. These looks are very quick and easy, and right now is the best time of year to try something different and fun with your hair. Now I will link last year's tutorial down below along with some other hair inspiration. Alright, let's get started. First up is this beautiful 4-strand braid, but don't be intimidated, I got you. Now whenever braiding, I like to add a little bit of oil to my hands. It just helps the hair glide nicely. To begin, toss all your hair back and divide it equally down the middle into 2 sections. Next, divide your right section in half, placing the front section out of the way, and then repeat on the left side so that you have 4 total sections. Then hold your left 2 pieces in your left hand, and we're going to take that far right piece and weave it through. So over the 3rd section, under the 2nd, and then over the 1st. So now it's on the far left side. And then repeat. So just hold your 2 left sections in your left hand and then weave your farthest right section over the 3rd, under your 2nd, and over the 1st. So now it's on the far left side. That's it. So then repeat as far down as you like. I did a total of 5 passes. Once you reach the bottom, secure and begin pancaking your braid. Start at the bottom and work your way up, being sure to pinch and pull each side of your braid until it's nice and full. Now, one way to hide your elastic is to slide a French pin up underneath your elastic, grab a section of hair and wrap it around your elastic 1 to 2 times, and then slide a bobby pin over the ends, and then feed them through your French pin, and then pull your French pin down through to secure them. But there we have it. How beautiful. Let me know if you try this 4-strand braid. Next is this beautiful bubble braid. I love this hairstyle. So gather all of your hair into a tight, low ponytail. For a modern look, you can just pull out the hair from in front of your ears. Now to create a smooth, clean look, I like to spray some hairspray and then gently brush over it with a boar bristle brush. And then to add volume, hold your ponytail tight and gently push up the hair at your crown with your fingers. Now to secure, I'm using a DIY hair bungee. This just keeps everything nice and tight. And another method to hide your elastic, so simple, is slide a topsy tail maker down behind your elastic, wrap a section of hair around your ponytail, and then pull your ends through the hole of your topsy tail, and then pull your topsy tail down all the way through. That easy. Now we want to make large bubbles, so tightly secure a hair elastic about 4 fingers down, and then you want to gently pinch and pull the middle of all the hair on the outside of your bubble. And if it's looking too small, just slide your elastic down. Next, hide your elastic and then repeat by creating your 2nd bubble roughly the same size as the 1st. And then I finish off the look with my favorite shine drops from JVN, and how simple yet beautiful is this hairstyle. It's perfect for any summer occasion. Next is this 90s inspired bun, right on trend for summer. To create that swoop detail, place your thumbs in front of your ears and loosely trace upwards to just below your crown, and then gently pull the sides down to accentuate that swoop. And of course, pull out your face framing pieces. And then scoop up and gather the rest of your hair, smoothing it with your fingers, and tightly secure into a ponytail. Now, if your hair has a lot of slip to it or it's clean, I would recommend adding some texture spray or volumizing powder and then brushing it through to add some grip. For the bun, divide your ponytail into 2 equal pieces, and we want to rope braid. So twist your right section once counterclockwise and cross it under your left section, and then repeat, twisting your right section once counterclockwise and crossing it underneath your left, and just continue this all the way down. Now, if the rope braid is too tricky, wrapping your sections around one another works great too. Now, hold the ends, and the best part, pinch and pull on the sides of your twists, and this is where that texture powder really helps because you want your twists nice and large. Then loosely wrap your braid up clockwise, and I'm using the base of the braid as the main bun shape, making it nice and large, and then tucking the remaining braid underneath. But you could wrap this however you like, and it's going to turn out great. Now, when it comes to securing, I like to place about 4 French pins around the outside, just enough so that it's secure and I no longer have to hold it, and then I can play around with the shape, pin, and my ends were a little bit too long, so I just tucked them up and pinned them into place. So there we have it. I can't wait to hear what you think, which one was your favorite. I am loving this updo. It's just such a simple way to keep you cool in the summer. But don't forget to check the description for some more hair tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.